Assalamu alaikum viewers. For today's drawing we need an eraser, a lead pencil, a ruler, a bangle or any round thing you have and some colors. So let's get started. Draw a line of 10 centimeter. Again, draw a line segment of 11 centimeter. Further a line of 10 centimeter and at the last a line of 11 centimeter to shape a rectangle. Now mark 2 points of 1.5 centimeters at the bottom line. Join these dots with the top of the line. Now take any round thing to make great circles. I tried this bangle to make proper circles, but I was unable to make proper circles. So I'm going to use this CD to shape our glass. Draw a curve at the bottom with the help of the CD. Now draw the upper circles with the help of the CD. Make a black outline of your drawing to make a great finishing. Make your drawing colorful. final look of your glass drawing.